So today we are going to unbox this dental flosser from Caresmith. So Caresmith has really good products in the healthcare category. So I came across this dental flosser, which is I would say an essential product you should have, to take care of your oral health. Okay, so if you see this, so it is very simple in functionality. It has three levels of flossing: normal, soft, and pulse. And not many functions. Really, it is designed very simply, making it very uncomplicated. Yeah. So let us open this and see what it has. They gave a bag. They gave a travel pouch, I think, which is very nice of them to. And, okay, it comes with 2 nozzles. The main flosser. I think this is the charging cable. It's a Type-C charger. Yeah, and a manual and the user manual. Okay. So this is the actual flosser, you can see. So this is the tank. I think this tank may be 100 ml or 150 ml. Okay, I would say this is very light. It is not very heavy, because when you're flossing, when you're using it, it needs to be light on your hand. Otherwise, there is a tendency that in an extended usage case, the hand might pain. So here you can see the different modes. So if you there are normal mode, soft mode, and pulse mode. Normal is normal mode. Soft is if you're having sensitivity, maybe you can use soft. Okay, and then you have the pulse mode. Okay, and this is the charging port. So you can simply remove and recharge it. Okay, and they have given 2 nozzles. So this is how the nozzle is inserted. Press this button, push it, and start using it. Okay, so it's better to use drinking water in it. Better not use tap water, because it might damage your nozzle, and it might damage the interior of the tank. So better use drinking water. So fill the tank first, then insert, lock. So you can see here indications. So this is to unlock, and this is to lock it in this direction. Once you lock it, then you can switch on it using this button and start using, and select the mode, whatever mode you're comfortable with, and start using. Okay, so yeah, I would say this is one of the products you should have in your home to take care of your oral health.